Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you 3 easy and cute nail designs that are perfect for summers. So let's get started. For the first design, I'll be making some waves. So start out with the base coat. When the base is dry, use a blue color to do a French tip. You can do this freehand with the nail art brush like I'm doing here, or you can use any other trick French manicures that works best for you. Next, keep using the same blue to make a curved line at the right side of your nail. It should connect to the blue at the tip to look like a wave. When you're happy with the shape of the wave, take your nail art brush and dab some white polish on the top of the wave for foam. Dabbing it like this will give it a bit of nice texture. When you're happy with the design, seal it in with a top coat. Next up, I have some palm fronds. For this, once again, start with the base coat to protect your natural nails, and then 2 coats of pink polish. When the base is dry, use a blue polish to make some palm fronds. Make one long line for the center branch and then make alternating thin leaves coming off it on either side. You could also use green for the leaves to make it look more natural, but I thought that the pink and blue together had a bright summery feel to it. When you're happy with the design, apply a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. The last design is inspired by Rocket Pop Popsicle. To make this on your nail, again start off with the base coat and then 2 coats of pink polish. When the pink is dry, use the brush from a bottle of white polish to make strokes down either side of your nail. Starting about 2/3 of the way up, you want the tops of the strokes to be curved, and if you need to, you can clean up the edges with a nail art brush. When the white is dry, do the same thing with the blue polish, this time starting about 1/3 of the way up the nail. And then apply a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 3 bright summery designs was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. You can watch more nail art videos on my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.